Welcome back. Today we are solve of the problem 102 area of a circle. So let's solve the problem. First open the browser and go to the URI page. This is the URI page and now go to the problems. And in beginner categories. Here the second code is area of a circle. Today we solve the problem area of a circle. In this code we need to input a float variable in double equation that in the variable name is r, and we know that the area of a circle formula is 2 pi a equal pi r square, and the value of pi is 3.14159. Using this document we can solve the problem. Now in this code we need to input a floating variable which is r, radius of the circle. Then we calculate the circle area using the formula pi r square, and the output would look like this: a equal L the accepted output here. So now let's solve the code in our compiler code blocks. First you need to save the code. First we need to declare a double data its name for area a and the radius r. Now we need to scan the radius. To scan the radius we need to use double for lf and comma and r. Now we use our formula a equal pi, and the pi value is given 3.14159, 3.14159, and into first bracket r square means r into r. Now we need to print the area value, and the print style is look like this: a equal something. Now copy the style and paste. Here we set the percent to use point 4 lf, and we need to print a. Yes, we need the area, then return 0. Here we use 0.4f because in the output format is 4 digit point before the point. And now save the code and run it. Here we need to put the radius and like 2.00, and here the output a equal 12.5664. Here the a equal 12.5664. So we finished our code. Now submit the code. We need to copy the code, and here we click the submit and select the language in C and paste the code here. Now we send the code. Now let's check submission. As it is the presentation error, it means here we did not use this \n. Now again copy and paste the code again. Now let's check. In submission, now the code is accepted. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.